You've been lied to. Everyone online talks about financial freedom. Quit your job, travel the world, and make money while you sleep. But here's the truth. Most people chasing financial freedom are just building a new kind of trap for themselves. And I'll show you exactly what that trap looks like, plus how you can break free from it. But first, tell me in the comments, what does financial freedom actually mean to you? Because how you define it determines whether you'll ever reach it or not. Also, just quickly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Everyone thinks financial freedom comes from money. They think if I make 10k a month, then I'll be finally free. But here's what really happens. They leave their 9-to-5 job and end up working a 24/7 hustle. They trade a boss and a paycheck for burnout. They end up chained to content schedules, client calls, and algorithms. And the irony, they feel less free than when they started. Because true financial freedom isn't about money first. Is about systems first. Money without systems just builds stress a lot faster. That's why you'll see creators brag about their income one month and then completely disappear the next. They weren't free, they were fragile. And in a minute, I'll show you the system that flips this all around, the one that gives you actual control of your time and your income. But first, you need to understand the 3 traps that are keeping people stuck. This is where you are your own boss, but your boss is really your phone. You wake up, you post content, you check your stats, you feel behind, and you promise yourself tomorrow will be the day that you finally get ahead. But spoiler alert, that day never comes. Because hustle is not a business model. Ignore all the people saying you just need to work harder. Get up at 4 a.m. and by the time that most people are starting work, you're already 5 hours ahead of them. Look, I'm not against working hard. If you want to be successful, you have to work hard. But you will work yourself to death if there's no system in place. Everyone wants passive income, but passive doesn't mean effortless. Even automated systems need fuel, like content, emails, audience, and testing. The lie is thinking you'll set it up once and it'll print cash forever. That doesn't happen. What does happen is compounding effort. You build small systems that run with less and less input over time. A lot of people start with businesses that give them no leverage. Things like freelancing, coaching, and services. They're all great, but they're still trading time for money. If you stop working, then your income stops too. You need something that scales without you being the bottleneck. That's where affiliate systems, digital products, and reoccurring programs come in, because they multiply your effort without multiplying your workload. Okay, so how do you escape those traps? Well, here's the secret. And I promise you, this part will flip how you think about building income forever. The first step is to build one scalable system. Not 10 things all at once, not 100 different ideas, just one offer, one funnel, and one traffic source. Master that first, and then scale up from there. Every successful person you see did one thing really well before they went and did 10. The second step is to focus on assets rather than hours. Your content, your email list, your digital systems, these are your assets. They keep working after you stop. When you post a video, it doesn't clock out at 5 p.m. It's still selling for you while you sleep. That's freedom, and that's what you need to build for yourself. And the third step is to automate or outsource repetition. If it's repeatable, then it's replaceable. Use AI, tools, or employees to handle repetitive tasks so you can focus on the parts that move the needle, like connection, creativity, and scaling. And the final step is to build compounding income. This means having at least one reoccurring revenue stream, something that pays you every single month, not just once. That could be a subscription, affiliate program, or digital membership. Then, as you scale up and have more income, it could be investments, property, whatever, as long as the assets are income producing assets. That's how you start buying back your time. Personally, I hate spending money on anything that isn't going to make me more money. And if you want financial freedom for yourself, you need to have the same mindset. Now, I'm not saying you can't enjoy spending your money, but that just comes back to what does financial freedom mean to you? If to you financial freedom means 10k a month, then keep building up those assets till you have 10k a month in passive income. Then start spending and enjoying your money. But if your goal is a lot higher than that, and to you financial freedom means 100k a month or $1 million a month, then you need to focus on reinvesting into income producing assets. Now, if you want to see how this kind of system actually looks, not theory, but the exact funnel and traffic setup that makes it work, I'll show you in my free affiliate starter pack. There's a link to that in the description below. But before you click it, stay with me for just a second, because the next part is the mindset shift that most people never make, and that's why they end up staying stuck. Okay, so financial freedom will look different to everyone, but here's a good starting point for what real financial freedom should look like. It's not sitting on a beach with a laptop, it's waking up without panic. It's doing work that excites you rather than drains you, and it's knowing you have control, that if one income stream dried up, you could rebuild another just as fast. It's getting to spend quality time with your family and with your friends. And that mindset, that confidence, well, that only comes from skill. Skills in marketing, communication systems, sales, and mindset. Those are what make you free. It's not luck, it's not the algorithm, it's not a secret hack that others are gatekeeping from you. So the next time you see a get rich quick ad, remember this. Freedom isn't found in shortcuts, it's built through systems. One decision, one asset, and one day at a time. Okay, so if you've made it this far, I want to know, what's your definition of financial freedom? Drop it in the comments, I read every single one of them. And if you're ready to actually build a system that creates it, not just talk about it, then grab a copy of my free affiliate starter pack from the link in the description below. It's the same framework I use as well as hundreds of my students, and it will show you exactly how to start building leverage instead of stress. Because freedom isn't something you find. It's something you build. Lastly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build a real income online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.